Hello, my name's Buzz Coates, Norbain Security Solutions Specialist, and during 2022 we'll be releasing a number of videos called Norbain Basics. These videos will be a set of how-to videos aimed at maybe apprentices or people just looking to update their knowledge, because let's face it, every day's a school day. We'll be covering such videos as the need for security, camera placement, what type of cameras, access control, and also the grading system on intruders, and even we'll be looking at infrastructure and the importance of networking and how to manage your network. So if you'd like to find out more, give us a shout or head to Norbain TV on YouTube.